Have you ever wondered why only 1% of people seem to achieve rapid financial success while the rest struggle just to get by? What's their secret? And why is it that nobody is teaching this strategy openly? Today, we're diving into a powerful formula, one that's been used by some of the wealthiest people to accelerate their path to success. I'll share stories, actionable steps, and insights that have transformed lives so you can see exactly how to apply these strategies yourself. Over the next 10 minutes, you'll uncover the real strategy behind building wealth quickly, why traditional advice is holding you back, and how you can start today, no matter your current financial situation. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, let's jump into the first secret. And it all starts with understanding the formula they don't teach you. Let's start by uncovering the formula they don't teach you in school or even in most financial books. While many people believe wealth is built by saving more or working harder, the truth is that rapid wealth creation is about one thing: leverage. Leverage is the ability to multiply your resources, whether it's time, money, or skills, by using tools and opportunities available to you. The wealthy don't just rely on their income, they strategically amplify their efforts through investments, partnerships, and systems that work for them around the clock. Take the story of Warren Buffett. He started with a modest investment, but quickly realized that the key to growing wealth wasn't just about saving, it was about investing in opportunities that could grow exponentially. By reinvesting his profits, Buffett didn't just rely on a paycheck, he built a system where his money worked harder than he ever could. Here's what you should do. Identify one area of your life where you can start leveraging. Do you have a skill you can monetize? Can you invest a portion of your income into assets like stocks or real estate? Start small, but make sure your resources are working for you. Imagine this. Instead of saving $100 a month and earning minimal interest, you invest it strategically. Over time, that 100 grows into thousands. That's the power of leverage. It accelerates your results and puts you on the fast track to financial independence. Now that you know the importance of leverage, let's explore why traditional financial advice might be holding you back and how to break free. For years, you've probably heard the same advice. Save 10% of your income, live below your means, and one day you'll retire comfortably. While this might sound sensible, here's the harsh reality. Traditional financial advice isn't designed to help you build rapid wealth. It's designed to keep you in the slow lane. Saving alone won't make you rich, especially with inflation eating away at your money. Wealthy people understand this. Instead of hoarding cash, they focus on multiplying it by investing in opportunities with high returns, like real estate, the stock market, or scalable businesses. They use their money as a tool for growth, not as a safety net to hold on to. Let's compare two individuals. Alex saves diligently for 10 years, putting his money into a low-interest savings account. Meanwhile, Taylor invests the same amount into a diversified stock portfolio. Over that decade, Taylor's money grows exponentially, while Alex barely outpaces inflation. The difference? Taylor trusted the power of investments, while Alex stuck to outdated advice. Here's your move. Take a portion of what you typically save and allocate it to an investment with growth potential. Research is key. Start with index funds, real estate, or even small businesses. By escaping the traditional mindset, you're not just saving for the future, you're creating it. Investing strategically can accelerate your wealth building journey, giving you results years ahead of schedule. Now, let's take this concept even further and get to the secret weapon that the ultra-wealthy use to multiply their success. Shifting your wealth mindset. Your mindset is the foundation of your financial success. You can know all the strategies in the world, but if your mindset is holding you back, you'll never take the actions needed to build wealth. The truth is, the wealthy don't just think differently, they think bigger. The first shift is overcoming limiting beliefs, like wealth is only for the lucky or I can't afford to take risks. These thoughts aren't facts, they're mental roadblocks. Wealthy individuals see challenges as opportunities and focus on growth rather than fear. They ask themselves, how can I afford this? Instead of, why can't I? Consider Howard Schultz, the man behind Starbucks. He grew up in a working-class family and often struggled financially. However, he saw beyond his circumstances and believed he could create something bigger. He took the risk of borrowing money to buy Starbucks when it was a small coffee chain. That belief in his vision transformed Starbucks into a global empire and Schultz into a billionaire. Start by identifying one limiting belief you hold about money or success. Write it down, challenge it, and replace it with an empowering belief. For example, change. I don't have enough money to invest into. I will find a way to start small and grow over time. Shifting your mindset doesn't just change how you think, it changes how you act. When you start believing that wealth is achievable, you'll notice more opportunities and have the confidence to seize them. This mental transformation is what opens the door to rapid wealth creation. Now that your mindset is aligned with wealth-building principles, let's discuss how to take the first bold step toward creating financial momentum. Every great journey starts with a single step, and building wealth is no different. But here's the catch. Most people never take that step because they're waiting for the perfect time. The truth is, there's no perfect time, only the time you decide to start. The first step toward rapid wealth is to focus on action over perfection. It's not about having everything figured out, it's about building momentum. Wealthy people don't wait until they have all the answers. They start small, test their ideas, and refine as they go. Take the story of Jan Koum, the co-founder of WhatsApp. Jan grew up on food stamps and didn't have a glamorous start. But instead of waiting for ideal conditions, he took a risk and began working on his app idea with limited resources. That small step eventually led to WhatsApp's $19 billion acquisition by Facebook. Identify one actionable step you can take today to move toward your financial goals. It could be starting a side hustle, opening an investment account, or learning a new skill that boosts your earning potential. The key is to act now, even if the step feels small. When you take action, you create momentum, and momentum is what separates those who dream from those who achieve. With each step, you build confidence and set yourself on a path to bigger opportunities and faster results. Now that you've taken your first step, let's dive into the final strategy, the one that will truly elevate your journey to financial freedom. If there's one thing that wealthy individuals have in common, it's this: they don't rely on just one income source. Creating multiple streams of income is one of the most powerful strategies for building rapid wealth. Take the example of Pat Flynn, an entrepreneur who turned a simple website into a thriving online business. What started as a side hustle to generate passive income from online courses and affiliate marketing has turned into multiple streams of income for Pat, including books, podcasts, and other digital products. By diversifying his efforts, he's built a sustainable wealth model. Start by identifying at least one new stream of income you could create. It could be as simple as monetizing a hobby, investing in stocks that pay dividends, or building a side business around a skill you have. The path to rapid wealth isn't reserved for the lucky few. It's for those who take bold steps, think differently, and commit to leveraging their resources and mindset. You've learned the formula, escaped traditional traps, embraced leverage, shifted your mindset, and taken your first step. Now it's time to act. Start today by applying one strategy from this video. Whether it's investing in yourself, building a system for leverage, or challenging a limiting belief, each action brings you closer to the financial future you deserve. And don't keep this journey to yourself, share it. let others know that building wealth isn't about luck, it's about learning and doing. Remember, wealth isn't just about money, it's about freedom, opportunity, and creating the life you want. If you found value in this video, like, share, and subscribe. Let's grow this community of action takers together. Your future is waiting, but it won't wait forever. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now. Go make it happen.